The death toll from landslides in the province of Zambales has been placed at 20. Meanwhile, clearing operations are now being undertaken by the DPWH at the disaster sites. Noel Perfecto reports.
Local authorities personally gave financial help to families of victims who died due to slides in some areas in the province of Zambales, brought about by outgoing Super Typhoon Odette and the monsoon rains. All these incidents happened in Subic, where 11 victims from Barangay Wawandue and Barangay Kawag, 7 victims also from Barangay San Isidro, and 5 bodies were recovered from Barangay Balaybay.
Ongoing pa yung retrieval operation at so far isa pa lang na-recover, no? Ngayon medyo magkakahirapan ito dahil putik yan eh. Kaya sabi ko nga, we find a way on how to do it. Maganda yung ginagawa sana nila. Yung bang tubig ang pinag-ano.
According to authorities in Zambales, the floods came and affected various areas in Zambales due to clogged waterways.
Itong bundok na to ay gumalaw nung kalakasan ng ulan at hindi naman natin nakalain na lumambot yung lupa, so nagkaroon ng mudslide.
Possibilities baka meron pang naapektuhan na ibang pamilya?
Sa tingin ko naman, hindi na siguro dahil ito may mga bahayan na rin sa bandang taas. Talagang sa bandang dulo lang ang medyo delikado.
Because of this, local authorities asked the Public Works and Highways to give them the go signal to conduct dredging and desilting in major waterways and its 11 tributaries in Santa Rita and Matayin rivers.
Marami pong lugar na nangangailangan din naman pong i-dredge at marami naman pong mga matitinong local government unit na talaga naman po wala silang ibang kagustuhan kundi ma-dredge o ma-desilt yung mga ilog tulad po namin dito.
Meanwhile, the Flood Control Operations Group of Public Works and Highways is conducting non-stop clearing operations in major roads in the province for the motor.
Yung main concern ho namin ngayon is yung clearing operations ho natin sa mga national roads para maging passable ho sa lahat, clear of any debris, yung national roads. And then, yun hong mga river systems natin ngayon, although may mga ongoing ho kaming projects, slope protection works at saka dredging ng kalsada, ng rivers. Ang main rivers ho natin na kinakailangang gamitan ng marine-based dredgers is itong Kalaklan River sa Olongapo at saka Matayin River po sa Subic.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.